Hi guys, this is Mrs. Tucker. We're getting ready to start our graphing calculator project. So I want you to get your packet that we've put together for you. Go grab your packet, go get your graphing calculator, get that baby turned on. We're going to get you set up to do this graphing calculator project. We're going to do a couple of days of practicing and then you'll be on your own to start working on this. So let's get after it. Alrighty. This is the TI 8384 Plus graphing calculator project. You guys, if we're at this point, you guys now have a hand-drawn picture that has linear functions on it, quadratic functions on it, maybe some circles. You definitely need some shading. You will be filling out a chart of equations, both for your linear functions and your quadratics, and they will be approved by your teacher before you can start programming. We are going to set up your calculator, get it ready for programming, and we're going to practice entering some functions. All right, so get your graphing calculator. I've got mine ready to go here. And the first step, before you do anything, let's clear out the brains of the calculator. We need to reset the memory. So we need to get rid of all this stuff. We need to start off with a clean slate. So we're going to do second, mem, 7, 1, 2, reset the calculator, hit enter, and we're ready to go. We've started off with a clean slate. Okay, now, towards the back in your packet, you'll see the programming steps and notes. We're going to start off with box 1 here, the initial steps. And it tells you exactly what to do. We're going to go to the calculator. We are going to hit program. We're going to choose new. We're going to hit enter, and we're going to put in our name. Let me show you how that's done. Alrighty. Let me switch to my notes here. Okay, we're going to hit program. We want a new program, so arrow over to new. We're going to create a new program, hit enter, and now it wants the name, and you see that the A is blinking. That means that alphanumerics mode has been turned on for you, and you can type in your name. We want you to type in the first three letters of your last name and the first 3 letters of your first name. So for me, it's T-U-C-L-I-N. And then hit enter. Okay? That little colon there says, all right, we're in programming mode. I'm ready for the next command. All right, go down to line 2. It says hit second draw. Okay, second draw is right here above the program button. Hit second draw. And from this menu, you are going to choose 1 clear draw. So you can either hit the 1 or arrow down. It is actually already sitting on draw. Clear draw, hit enter, and hit enter again. Every time you enter a command into your graphing calculator, you need to hit enter at the end of the line so you get back down to the colon. Now what clear draw does is any picture, any stuff that was in the display screen on your calculator, every time you execute this program, it will clear it out. Okay, line 3 says second format. Format is above your zoom button, so let's go to second format. Then you see it wants you to arrow down 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and arrow to the right once to axes off. We're going to hit enter and hit enter again. And what that does is it will turn your axes off. You won't see any axes while your picture is drawing. Some of you may want your axes on while you're programming. You can go back there and turn it on. Line 4 says second stat plot. Let's go to second stat plot. Then we want to choose plots off, which is option 4. So hit option 4 and hit enter. So if you had data in a list, it won't graph that data. Okay? Line 5, I am going to catch that in the next video, so I'll see you in a moment.